When you first go to tryingtocode.com, you're going to see this home page. All you're going to have to do is press this learn icon, and you will be brought to learn.html, which is where you can complete these projects. The first thing you do, go to run one, and you see that it says some stuff. So it might look a little bit confusing at first because there's all these projects down here, and there's this main big project that is currently open, and there's a lot of buttons. So I'll just tell you the buttons you need to know. This is to close it. So if you press it, now it's here. It's a basically minimization of the project. This is to reset it. So if I press it now, it doesn't do anything. But if I were to mess up and do something really horrible, I could press this and it would go back to normal. This is how you run the code so that it does what it says. And the mission in this project was just to press this green button. That was the whole point, which is why I got these coins. And as you can see, I'm at 55 coins now because I was at 50 before, plus 5. And it has some basic Python, so it says print you did it. So that means that the output, this is the output box right over here, is going to be you did it. Now that I'm done, I can go to the next project by pressing this, and it will go to the next one. And I can just keep going and finishing projects until I'm all the way at the very, very bottom. And if you want to skip projects, you absolutely can. Just press on them. And then if you want to see all the ones before, you can just press that. And as you can see, you've got your list of projects here. And that's just the very beginning of how you use tryingtocode.com.